This is Monday, the 13th of February, taking a look at the Bears and Bulls stocks, and starting out with a look at the S&P 500. For those who are new to joining us here, this is a three-panel chart of the S&P 500. This is a three-day chart on the left, a daily chart in the middle, and a 2-hour chart on the far right. And I use these lines here, these Heikin-Ashi lines as I call them, to show trends in the market. We have been in this stair-stepping pattern of a very strong bull trend, and that continues today. Our 2-hour line comes up to this highest high Heikin-Ashi candle here. Our daily candle comes up to this line, and our 3-day line comes up to here. So we're still in a yellow, green, blue zone, which is a strong, very strong bull trend, and price continues to find support above these Kumos, which are clouds and areas of overall price support. On the bear watch list side of things, just to show you the list that I have here, certain stocks continue to be well qualified as bears, and to show you what these, in case you're new again to joining us, we move left to right looking at the 3-day, the daily, and the 2-hour, just like we did on the S&P 500. Red check marks are obviously well qualified bears, so you can always freeze the video if you want to drill down into any of those stocks. Twitter obviously still very bearish. Michael Kors still very bearish. Hain with a very big gap down today, and we played that one as a high probability short in the chat room. And then on the bull watch side of things, to flip over to that chart, which I think is where the emphasis has to be based on the current market sentiment. But this is the list of the top 27 bull stocks that I see in the market, and you can see that I've got a couple checked here. I think some that are particularly interest would be the financial sector. We have UNM, for example, but you can see on each of these you'll see the sector map. So overall you'll see a lot of financial stocks on this list, and you'll see very few healthcare stocks. Industrials and technology continue to be well represented as well. UNM, though, as I mentioned, showing a high probability, nice long situation, nice support. Other ones, Prudential, insurance, of course, financials, Allstate, same story. Again, this Kumo, if you're not familiar with the Ichimoku, showing a nice area of price support and going future. So your base of support is down here around 76.35 at the tip of that Ichimoku edge over on the far right side. John Deere continues to look very good with 30 green check marks across the board there. A lot of these stocks, as you can see, these are the most bulls of the bulls. Okay, so John Deere also showing very strong price support up underneath price here. And technology sector, nothing really stands out to me in this area. These are all well qualified, and obviously JBL, 30 green check marks as well. CDNS with 30 green check marks, so not expecting any kind of a pullback or anything, but I like the charts that I mentioned already the best. Hope your trading is going well today, and talk to you tomorrow.